we're going to be packing some 50k packs. So earlier I was just sitting on my bed playing FIFA, and I saw these packs come out, and I packed Torre and Felipe Melo. Torre only goes for like, oh snap. Okay, so we made our money back here. So about 50k for that one, and then Felipe Melo goes for only 10k, so he's a waste. Okay, so let's go pack some stuff. We're only gonna be doing like 4 of these. So in our first pack we get Gary. Okay, he's not good. We get Diego Lopez. I'm not sure how much he goes for, but Sonia, put him at 1,000. Okay, first pack is not that good, so let's do 2 more. If you didn't see my last video, I have 3 million coins, so I'm going to be giving away about 500k. So in this pack we get better people. We get Dante. I'm not sure how much he goes for, but Jordi Alba, I know, goes for at least like 5k, so we'll put him up there. The rest, Snyder, we'll put him in the transfer list. So we'll quick sell the rest. Okay, 2 more packs, and then I'm done. We already got an inform, and okay, we get Gary again. Gary. Okay, everyone there is terrible. Last pack. Let's hope we get something good. Jonic? I don't know. I've never seen him before. Everyone else is terrible. Alright. So in the next video I'm going to be showing you my new transfer method, or my new market method. It's working amazingly. The other day I had like 2.9 million coins, and now I have 3.1, so that's 200k. So if you want to see that video soon, please leave a like on the video and subscribe.